So we are going to Chinese graveyard with our host slash guide. Oh, someone is cooking here. So we are walking through tiny village in where are we? Well, in Darjeeling, really. Himalayan mountains. It's actually very peaceful here. I like it.
This is like the secret way, because normally we people will not find it.
No, not tourists, definitely. Okay, it's fantastic here. Love these trees. See, these are the trees that we saw from the balcony.
These are pine trees, right?
I don't know actually, but
Yeah.
they are pretty.
Like that's all this.
Okay, that's the one. Yeah, that's why I said that we saw it from the balcony. Yeah. Interesting.
This is the leaf you eat on as well.
Yeah, we use it as a
Serving. Yeah. So the tree dies.
and yeah, the tree dies. So you can make out like where the bears are just by looking at the trees, and you avoid that place.
Okay.
Are they big?
Are they big? Like
Asiatic bears are not that big in comparison of bears that we find in Russia.
Okay, but do they like attack people sometimes? Like
No, they usually don't come to populated areas,
okay,
and those areas are actually protected forests,
okay,
protected by the government of India.
right.
So even the locals, they don't go.
They don't go there. There's no need. Now it's becoming warm.
How is that cemetery still in use?
Sorry?
The cemetery that we are going to?
No,
Is it still in use or?
I don't think so.
Okay, so ancestral.
But some people, they come to pay their homage to their loved ones once in a while.
Just to visit and see.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
Will they come on like All Saints Day?
Yeah, exactly. Himalayan nettle. Oh, these ones are very nice actually. Yeah. So have you ever like fallen off the cliff?
No.
Of course not seriously, because then you would have been gone. But like never like a couple of meters down? Never happened like an accident? Okay.
Never.
Never. Interesting. If this was like Europe, people would be falling non-stop. To be honest.
These are the bamboos I was talking about.
Okay, this is a nice one though. This is a nice bamboo. I like that one. It's not very strong. This is rotten one, I think. Oh, this is a strong one, yeah. Okay. Interesting. I like that. So you think we can get seed? Like we may find seed of this one?
Yeah.
That'd be nice. It's a nice one. Okay, shot. Slippery. So this is pretty much the trekking that you also mentioned on your description, right? The listing description. That there is option to trek all around in the nature. Yeah, this is actually a very nice one.
You liking it?
Yeah, I love it.
We've been longing for it for a while.
Yeah.
Here onwards there are no habitation, no people.
Total wilderness, but no bears.